from a small town in Maharashtra to a place where you are renowned as a postcard man of India?
The entrepreneur was in me from the age of 11. They told me, you don't have a mission, and what you're talking
आपको
about?
मुझे भी नहीं अभी और
You're
आगे
talking
लेके जा रहा
about,
है.
yeah. I have nothing to lose, everything to gain. Second criteria, consistency. Whatever you do, I want to do this. No need to go to all the villages of the country. Go to the villages having population about 2000. It's very simple but a very big concept. We have received 850 letters saying that मैं बोला मर गए यार अभी ये पहले वालों को भी नहीं दे पा रहा हूँ दूसरों को कैसे दे दूंगा. They have sent me the PO of 1 crore rupees. First project I've launched is with that 40% social work professionally is if you want to change this world, change the mentality of school going student. Mentality I'm talking about. The most successful startup of this country are agriculture.
Mr. Pradeep Lokhande, the distinguished revolutionary social entrepreneur from Pune. He is also a founder member of Rural Relationships. With his innovative initiative of reaching the rural India through postcard, he is known as Postcard Man of India. Welcome to LBS Podcathon. Today we have a eminent personality, Mr. Pradeep Lokhande with us. Pradeep sir, namaskar.
Namaskar.
Pradeep sir, you have a glorious journey of working from a very humble background to a level where you have transformed the uh, landscape of rural Maharashtra and rural India per se. So it will be wonderful to start with you with your journey and your experience from a small town in Maharashtra to a place where you are renowned as a postcard man of India.
Namaskar. Yes, my name is Pradeep Lokhande. Yeah, my native place is a place called Dhom, which is 8 kilometers away from a block place, Tehsil place called Vai. It's in Satara district. But that Dhom is so important because it was a colony. And I always say that everybody should born in a colony. Why? Because when you born in a colony, your neighbors are Nair, Iyer, Sharma, Chattopadhyay.
Sir, colony, you meant to say there are people from various parts
Various, yes.
Okay. And why that colony was there?
It was because it's a dam.
Okay.
A dam
So the
construction.
people who worked on that construction site, they used to stay.
Yeah, because and it is man-made. Colony is always man-made.
Yes.
It is not a typical village. The name of that place is a Dog. That was a village, but the colony is a man-made always, because there are engineers, there are architects, there are big contractors, all type of people, all cross of life people stay there, and in a big number. So I was there. Yeah, though yes, my father was a peon there. That doesn't make any difference to me because I'm a part of that colony. So thanks to that colony, the exposure I got at a very early age was really fantastic. And at that very small age, I was having a role models. One of the role model was an engineer. And I always used to think, when can I have a jeep like him? Because they get a jeep, they get a orderly, they get a person, always one person as a peon to look after them. So that was really fantastic. Academically, I am not very strong, but what my father and mother has given me is really fantastic. Though they were not afford to give me a good education, but it is I am responsible. They are not responsible for that. So I have done my primary education and secondary education in Y. Then I thought that I am not going to learn a lot or take education a lot. But the entrepreneur was in me from the age of 11.
Okay.
At the age of 11.
Why do you remember age 11? Any
I'll tell you why. Because the first time what I have done at the age of 11, in a colony there is always a community center. And in that community center, I have conducted one sports event at the age of 11.
Okay.
All thanks to one, as I told you, role model called Vinod Sawant. He was a deputy engineer there, and he used to treat me like a son. And you know, then he told me that how you can think of conducting a table tennis matches in a community center. There was a table, but conducting a program, conducting a sports was a big thing. And at the age of 13, at the age of 14, I have taken one drama from Pune to that community center, and I have collected money for that. When I came to Pune to take permission and uh, interact with the owner of that drama people, they told me, you don't have a message, and what you're talking
आपको
about?
मुझे भी नहीं अभी और
You're
आगे
talking
लेके जा
about,
रहा है.
yeah. But I have done that. It was very successful. The name of that was Rajkaran Gelo Churi. It was in Marathi, and the actor was Niru Phule. That time, Niru Phule was like a Amitabh Bachchan of Marathi.
Yes, yes.
And I shouldn't compare him with Amitabh Bachchan. He's such a great. So this is how I think it was inbuilt. So I never do a crying business of it. I'm a very, very dangerously optimistic person. Whatever I have experienced, whatever I've seen, I always talk about the brighter side of it rather than talking the darker side of it.
Right, so then you did your entrepreneur exercises, and then you came out of Y, and your journey then took you to Pune. एंड आजकल ये कहते हैं कि जो भी चाय से रिलेटेड है, चाय बेचता है या होटल से रिलेटेड है, वो बहुत बड़ा आदमी बनता है. आपके साथ भी ऐसा ही कुछ हुआ है, उसके बारे में जरा
या वो चाय का थोड़ा बाद में हुआ है, बट उसके पहले क्या हुआ है कि when I come to Pune, another good thing happened to me is my uncle used to stay in an outhouse of a bungalow, and I used to stay with my uncle. All thanks to them, I'm talking to you. But the owner of the bungalow was my friend, and he is my godfather. I treat him as a godfather, though he is of the same age of mine. His name is Jay Prakash Girme, and he has given me a hand. He has given me an opportunity to work in his organization, and that time I was earning 600 rupees. But my biggest achievement through that was I got a place on a JM Road at that time in 80s, late 80s. So in a different world, in a different ecosystem. And then I have done one diploma in marketing. I worked for 18 months, doctor. I worked for 18 months in Johnson & Johnson. But that 18 months was a big, big, big training for me. Very big training. Because it's an American company. After 18 months, I have left that job. And as I told you, there is an entrepreneur, inbuilt entrepreneur. I always say that you cannot make an entrepreneur. You can. It is as good as you can take a horse to water, you cannot make him drink. And then I have started business with Jay Prakash Girme.
Okay.
And we were the people who have launched Monjari's Cake in Pune. We are the people. It's a big story of it. But we are the people who have launched Monjari's Cake in Pune. We are the people who have launched Fruity in Pune.
So, but sir, there is a question the audience must be thinking, particularly young chaps, कि एक गांव का लड़का है जिसके पास बहुत कुछ बाप दादे का कोई प्रॉपर्टी
कुछ नहीं है।
कुछ नहीं है, वो शहर में आता है, उसने कुछ पढ़ भी लिया मान लो, लेकिन पढ़ने के बाद वो बिजनेस का सोचेगा क्यों और कहाँ से साधन जुटाएगा? तो ये सवाल आपको भी तब आया होगा.
नहीं, मुझे क्या है ना, आप उसका मैं आंसर आपको देता हूँ. इसका ये है, आंसर ये है, मैंने ना बहुत बहुत क्लियरली सोचा था, बाकी कुछ नहीं है, सब बाकी तो अभी इम्प्रोवाइज्ड है. आई नो दैट एवरीथिंग इज इम्प्रोवाइज्ड. बट एक मैंने सोचा था, वो अभी इंग्लिश में कह रहा हूँ, बट वो कैसे सोचा था मुझे पता नहीं है. आई हैव नथिंग टू लूज, एवरीथिंग टू गेन. और क्या हारूंगा क्या मैं? चप्पल पहनने के लिए नहीं था, कपड़ा नहीं था, गाड़ी नहीं थी, चप्पल नहीं थी, जो भी कुछ नहीं था, एजुकेशन नहीं था, फैमिली बैकग्राउंड जो आपने कहा बिल्कुल नहीं था, पैसे नहीं था, कुछ नहीं था. So I was not having nothing, nothing to lose, everything to gain. Whatever I do, it will be a gain to me. If I buy even bicycle, it is a big achievement, a huge achievement actually. One should think in this way. This is my approach and my request to the youth. Okay, this is how we should think. You have nothing to lose. That is one, but that is one criteria. Second criteria, consistency. Whatever you do, I want to do this. I've never thought कि अरे नहीं यार ये business में loss हो गया, so I'll take a job. Oh नहीं 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 ये business नहीं हो रहा है, I'll do another business. Never. One, I only think, doctor, I thought that I can speak well. I have that capacity. I have a communication skill. So I have capitalized on that. So how I got Mongenis on a communication skill. How I got Fruity on a communication skill. And all thanks to Jay Prakash and Satish Magar was a partner of mine, who is now managing director of Magarpatta City. And I was in a good company. That is a very, very important thing. Very important thing. That ecosystem around you makes you or breaks you totally. So this is how the journey has started.
But sir, now,
But one point, one point, I have decided that they are super rich people, Jay Prakash Girme and Satish Magar. Satish Magar started his own Magarpatta City. Jay Prakash was in construction. They asked me, you can join us. But I told them I am not an engineer. I don't have money. I don't have a land. So I have taken a call. I will do something else. And then I have chosen this path, which is, you're talking about the postcard man of India, the library man of
I wanted to come that point only, sir.
Yeah.
Now you said you started Mongenis or Fruity. This distribution business is a traditional business which
Correct.
many people are doing,
Correct.
and that too in a city-like space, urban area.
Absolutely.
But your real story start from the rural part of India.
Absolutely.
So how this migration happened?
Yeah. As I told you, when they have started their own business, in 94, I have taken a call. Okay, I will do it on my own. The first thing what I have done is, before the rural, I have started an organization called इंडियन कारपोरेट रिसोर्स सेंटर. ऐसा बड़ा बड़ा नाम दिया था, क्यों दिया था मुझे पता नहीं, टू इम्प्रेस द कारपोरेट और व्हाट. एंड इन दैट वी यूज्ड टू डू अ प्रमोशनल एक्टिविटी. But the first time in the history, we were having 300 girls. We are the people who have sampled aerial in Pune.
So your idea was to create a company.
Correct.
That company will help the established big brands
Yes.
to grow.
Grow.
And
Not
particularly-
grow. Grow is a big word. To support their promotional activity.
Okay.
Because they are big companies. Because when you work with the PNG is a huge organization, but you do the promotion. But in 1.5 years' time, I have given that organization to my younger brother, and then I thought that one day I've heard Guru Sharan Das in Mumbai, and that time I was thinking of, because I worked in Johnson & Johnson that 18 months, I have traveled a lot of Madhya Pradesh, and then I have realized that India is rural, India is not urban. And then that day I have started thinking how and what I can do for rural India to earn money. As simple as that. Total earn money. And then I've come, now I'm speaking in English. I was not English, Hindi, not even good Marathi, from a humble background, no educational background. But that time I have developed a concept, doctor, and I think that is paying me, and that's why I'm talking to you. And that concept is, no need to go to all the villages of the country. Go to the villages having population about 2,000 and where weekly bazaar takes place. And if you are strong in these villages, you are strong in most of the villages, because people from hygienic villages come to these villages to buy their necessity. It's very simple but a very big concept. And we have
So
started.
instead of going to all the villages,
Yeah.
you identified that 2,000 is a decent.
I'll come to that also, because any organization, any corporate organization, they think from the commercial point of view and not from the social point of view. So from the commercial point of view, less than 2,000 is not viable. So that's why we have taken a cutoff point of a 2,000 per strata village
Okay.
and a weekly bazaar town, irrespective of the population, because that is very, very important village. And then first we have collected data of Maharashtra, doctor. Maharashtra has 43,000 villages, but about 2,000 and weekly bazaar, there are only 6,800 villages.
Okay.
So we have collected data of that 6,700 villages. It's quite a task, which took me 2.5 years to collect the data, because no resources to collect. So personally, I have
And in
traveled.
that journey, you become postman man.
Correct. So I have
Can you
used.
just highlight that?
Yeah. What I have done is, I have used postcard as a tool to reach to rural India. So what we have done, basically that time 3 people is to run the village. One is a postmaster, principal, and a sarpanch. So I have asked my wife and a father to write a letter to them, हैंड रिटन, आपके गांव का सरपंच कौन है साथ के पोस्ट कार्ड पे लिख के भेजेगा. इट इज अ डबल पोस्ट कार्ड. That time the cost of the postcard was just 15 paisa. So in 90 paisa I am reaching in every village. Just 90 paisa. First we have written 20,000 letters. It took 3 months and posted, no answer. Only 18 answer. Again we have,
out
out of 20,000.
20,000.
20,000 लेटर्स में से 18 लोगों ने लिखा था और उसमें कोई आंसर नहीं था. एक्चुअली कोई आंसर नहीं. अगेन वी हैव रिटन 20,000 letters, 3 in every village. Again a double postcard. Means he has to pick up a pen and write. उसमें हमने लिखा था कि आपके गांव का हाट कब लगता है, बाजार कब लगता है, जो साथ के पोस्ट कार्ड पे लिखिएगा. Another 20,000, another 3
और
months.
ये कौन से साल के बाद चल रही है?
ये 96.
96. ओके.
And no answer. Only 49 answer. और उसमें ये भी लिखा था कि आप खुद को क्या समझते हो? Are you governor or what? It is like that. Failed miserably. Just imagine. You know that you have a goal, but what about people around you who are supporting you? My father, my wife, my family, they were afraid because the entrepreneur is always driven.
Per village it's 90 paisa, but for thousands of village you must have lost a lot of money at that point of time.
Doctor, more than money, it's a time.
Yeah.
To write that 20,000 letters, it is a 3 months. And why we have written handwritten? Because if I print, I have to pay 2 rupees 50 paisa per letter. And but I am a storyteller. I have told my family that look, अगर आपको हाथ से लिखा हुआ पत्र मिलता है तो आपको अच्छा लगता है. अगर आपको प्रिंटेड लेटर मिलता है तो आपको इतना अच्छा नहीं लगता है. It is not personalized. That was a story to them. But the actual story was like it is 90 paisa and not 2 rupees 50 paisa each card. In 7 rupees, not 50 paisa. This is how it is. But that consistency, first letter, no answer, second letter, no answer. In spite of that, I have asked them, this is the last letter. If you'll not get an answer, then we can think something else. But I think I have done a fantastic innovation. मैं खुद ही कह रहा हूँ. Fantastic innovation. And that innovation, our thought was, this time we'll not send the double postcard, doctor. One. Second, we will not ask them anything. And by that time there was a Diwali and I have written on that postcard. I have asked them to write on that. आपको, आपके घर वालों को और गांव वालों को दीपावली की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं. कुछ जानकारी मत भेजना भाई मुझे. Because they were having already 2 postcard of mine. And we have received 850 letters saying that आपको भी दीपावली की शुभकामनाएं. And after that, no look back. Then I realized that it is building the relationship with the people and not asking you what you want. And the rest is the history.
And that is why rural relationship.
That is why it is rural relation. It is relation. It pays you. That doesn't require money.
And which was your first major assignment sir, from corporate?
Yeah. It was Tata Tea.
Okay.
Then we have collected data. What was the data? The data was really interesting. Name of a village, taluka, district, population, bazaar day, gathering. How many shops that village has, school principal, postmaster, sarpanch, gram sevak, talati, कितने टीवी है, कितने टेलीफोन है, गांव में कौन से प्रोडक्ट मिलते हैं. Just imagine.
That research you had to do.
Yeah, that data we have. Then I have written to 200 companies. Another story. No answer. Another letter after 1 month. 200 companies. No answer. Another 200 letters. But 200, no, because big corporate only. After that, third letter, first call I have received from Tata Tea, saying that come and present the case. Always the case. And so my luck, though I am not a very God वगैरह वाला person, but my luck that time was that person was a Maharashtrian. So I told him, sir, मुझे तो बिल्कुल हिंदी भी नहीं आती और इंग्लिश तो आती ही नहीं है. He told me, look, Pradeep, आपको वो मराठी में तो नहीं कर सकते आप, because you are going to do the presentation to the corporate people. आप जैसे भी हिंदी आती है उसमें बात करो, but आपको करना पड़ेगा. Then I have taken that on a dot matrix, I have printed and I have taken that data, sample data to them, and I have presented the case to the Tata Tea. Then another 3 weeks time, I have received a call from them, come and present the case to the superiors. मैं बोला मर गए यार, अभी एक पहले वालों को भी नहीं दे पा रहा हूँ, दूसरों को कैसे दे दूंगा. Again I have presented the case, sir, and I have come back. After 3 weeks, I thought that this is a nonsense statement, but I thought that I'll get 5 lakh rupees for that 6,700 villages data. They offered me 25,000 rupees. But they were correct. because it was my speculation. And then I've taken that 25,000 rupees there because मुझे गाड़ी चलानी थी. गाड़ी means घर की गाड़ी, खाने की गाड़ी. After that 20 days, I've received a call from Parle-ji. They bought for 20,000 rupees, the same data. But the turning point of my life, huge turning point of my life. After 3 weeks, I've received a call from Tata T saying that Pradeep, अभी इंग्लिश में कह रहा हूं मैं ये, this is a fantastic information, but what to do with this? And after that, no look back, sir, no look back. First project we have given them, can we do the weight sampling in the bazaar villages? And for the 100 villages, just 100 villages activity, we have received a PO of 3,19,000 rupees.
Wow.
And no look back. No look back. And after doing that activity, all the magazines of the world, they have written about this case study on a front page. Look, a boy from a village has done a miracle. Literally, and overnight, Pradeep Lokhande is like a godfather of rural India. And कुछ भी देने लगे कुछ वो. But yes, after 3 months, I received a call from Procter & Gamble. And they told me that we want to work with you. We want to work with you, and we will work in 3 states of the country. And they have sent me the PO of 1 crore rupees. Means just 6 months back, I was a beggar, literally beggar, and 1 crore at that time. Just imagine. And sir, after that, no look back. All thanks to these people. Let me tell you, when you work with a professional company, वो आपको इतना सिखाती है, हमें लगता है वो तो निचोड़ती है आपको. ये जो गलत फहमी है ना, इससे बाहर आइएगा. युवकों को मेरा रिक्वेस्ट है, हमको तो सिखाया गया है गलत लोग होते हैं, कुछ नहीं है. बिकॉज दे एवरी टाइम दे सी द ROI इन इट. वो रिटर्न ऑन इन्वेस्टमेंट देखते हैं, आपके टाइम का भी देखते हैं, जो हर जगह नहीं देखा जाता है. एंड सर, देन I'll jump now straight. You name any big brand of the world, any big brand of the world. Either we have worked with them or we are working with them on our term, humbly but on our term. We have a 3 principle of the organization. 1, अभी हीरोगिरी देखो कितना हो गया. We will not sell any product because it's a relationship based organization. We will not take liquor and tobacco based product. That doesn't mean I am sadhu sant. Not at all. I am not at all sadhu sant, but will not take that. And third is incorrect. We will not work with the government also. In spite of that, you name any brand, it can be Telco to Merrill Lynch, to Marico to HUL, to United Bank of Switzerland, to name anybody. We have worked with them. We have not sold data. We will not sell data. Now it is in open domain, and they have given me with a trust, and I have used in a good manner.
सर, ये आपकी कंपनी जो 25,000 के पहले ऑर्डर से शुरू होके आज इतना बड़ा वृक्ष बना है, मीन्स यू हैव बीन इन ऑल ओवर इंडिया.
Yes.
50,000 छोटे छोटे गांव
का डेटा है.
आपका डेटा 49,000 गांव का रीच है. इतने बड़े बड़े पॉलिटिशियंस,
सब लोग आते हैं.
सब लोग का इलेक्शन का प्रेडिक्शन का भी आपका
100% करेक्ट है. आपको भेजा था मैंने.
हाँ, राइट.
It was 99%, not 100%.
इतना अच्छा आपका ये सब काम है, लेकिन इसके साथ में ये ज्ञान की लाइब्रेरी का स्टोरी
ये बहुत अच्छा क्वेश्चन किया आपने, क्योंकि लोगों को लगता है पैसा कमाना ही सबसे अच्छा होता है. यस, आई ऑलवेज से दैट मनी इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. रोकड़े के सिवा कुछ नहीं होता है. रोकड़ा बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. आई एग्री. बट इन 2001 आई हैव टेकन दिस कॉल. सर, इन 2001 as a typical middle class, I have asked my family, now what we want. We are having a good house. In my definition, it is house like Amitabh Bachchan. In my definition, 2 cars, travel abroad. Typical Maharashtra, typical middle class. Everything. Then I was, now henceforth, listen, this sentence is very important to the even youth. Henceforth, in 2001, henceforth I'll spend my 40% time to do the business. 40% time to do the social work professionally. Very, very specific.
Professionally.
and 20%, though academically I am zero, I'll do teaching. And you know, sir, name any big school of India or abroad, they ask us to
They invite you.
invite us, and I talk on all big platforms of the world, taking the student to rural India practically. And then first project I've launched it with that 40% social work professionally is, the name of that project was Non-Resident Villager Movement, NRV. Practically every Indian is NRV. Either from father side or a mother side, you have a root somewhere or the other. Do something for that village and India will be changed India. And with that we have given one project, one idea, one concept. Don't throw your old computer. I'm talking about 2001, not now. Give it to us. We will install that computer in a school where the computer has a subject of 100 mark, but they teach computer on a blackboard, shame on all of us. Giving gali to a government is a very easy task. Very, very easy. I never go by that. Personal opinion. And this old computer was only for touch, try and feel. कोई computer engineer नहीं बना रहा था सर मैं. But उसको मिलना चाहिए ना. उसको मिलना चाहिए. If I get my daughter on a table, minimum they should get one in a school.
Yes.
And it was so successful, in 10 years, we were instrumental to install more than 28,000 computers in 7 states across around 22,000 schools. Done. And it is not me talking about it.
computers.
28,000 computers in 22,000 schools. बहुत बड़ा स्कूल होता है तो उसको 2 दिए थे हमने. But it is a public participation program. Why it was successful? Because it was total transparent and no money involvement.
I mean, sir, when you're saying it keeps giving me goosebumps. Like one person, one idea. People are ready to donate.
Yeah.
And per person like you can, create this kind of a miracles. Like 28,000 computers installed in 22,000 school. It's a Herculean task.
Absolutely.
And that has happened without any shosha, nothing on a big platform, no donation, no political help, no government help, nothing.
Nothing.
Wow.
हाँ, बट उसमें क्या है ना, जब आप दैट किसी भी आप आदमी को पूछोगे ना तो दे अंडरस्टैंड द प्योरिटी इन इट. वो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होता है. आप जो कह रहे हैं ना उसमें प्योरिटी कितनी है. थोड़ा गड़बड़ क्या हो गया आजकल की people are misusing the people's money.
Yes.
That is I will not discuss much about that.
Yes.
So it was very successful. As I've told you, a lot of good big people have donated. It can be MasterCard has donated us the computer, to Guru Sharan Das, to everybody. The person I've heard, as I've told you. But in 2010, I've stopped this straight. Why? Because a छोटा बच्चा भी गाँव का इधर से आ रहा है सब बाहर हो, he's saying that where is color monitor and where is mouse. So जो दान होता है ना उसमें भी दानत होनी चाहिए. ये तो कोई मतलब नहीं है उसका, झूठ है सब फिर वो. And then we have stopped. Now we do that, but we do that with only new computers and computers from the IT industry only, because they change in 3 years. So for us it is as good as new. For a school it is as good as new. So now we'll get less. And then I'm coming to that. So what I've learned out of it is, sir, if you want to change this world, change the mentality of school going student. Mentality I'm talking about. So first thing what we have done is given a computer. By that time I was in little bit focused, so I met a lot of good people across the world. They told me that, Pradeep, you have that knack. So what best we can do for a. Now everybody says that कोई पढ़ता नहीं है, सब खत्म हो गया है. Then we have taken that challenge as you have asked me. Then I have traveled in the villages, understood. We spoke with all the stakeholders of reading habit. One is a student, girl and boy, teacher, principal and parents. तब मुझे पता चला कि सब खत्म नहीं हुआ है, खत्म नहीं हुआ है, अभी भी पढ़ते हैं. हाँ, टिपिकल उसमें issues है. I am not come to that, but है. Then we have come back, and then I thought that, but there is a money involvement in it now. So I have come back, and then I've thought that how much money people will invest on Pradeep Lokhande, because mostly people invest on that man initially.
True.
And after that, then it is a platform. So I thought that 5,000-6,000 people will
Easily.
invest on me, easily invest on me. And then I have gone to 100 people, and then I have asked them to just cut a check. Don't ask me for what. I wasn't that much confidence I was having. And then, but prior to that, what we have done, whatever information we have collected from this 5 stakeholders, we have created a set of books. उसमें ना बच्चों के दिमाग में आने वाला हर सब्जेक्ट का एक बुक था. It can be drama, music, sex, disaster management, constitution, you name anything. There is minimum one primary book, but in that 5,000 to 6,000 rupees. And the biggest problem what we have discussed, that is, people are ready to pay, but they think that their money is not reaching to the last mile. It is always the problem. The biggest obstacle in doing a good work. We have an answer to that. What we have done, when we install that library in a school, we give one register. And with that register, there are 2 envelopes. In that envelope, school has to write back to the donor saying that we have received so many books worth so many rupees. The first loop is completion, because when you get a letter from the school, there is a letter on that letter by name of a school, principal, उसका नंबर सब कुछ, आप कभी भी उसको फोन कर सकते हैं. बट बेसिकली बोधनकर सर ने मुझे पैसे इसलिए नहीं दिए थे कि लाइब्रेरी खोलनी है ज्ञान की, बट उन्होंने इसलिए पैसे दिए थे बच्चों ने पढ़ना चाहिए. Was the thought process behind it. So what we have done then, in every book there is a postcard. So the student write backs to Bodhankar sir saying that कि मी सुनीता विलियम्स की किताब पढ़ी है. I think कृतार्थ सर भी, मैं भी और वो बच्ची भी.
True.
And I'm now
तो इसके 6,000
yeah, I'm coming to that. Every working day, it is not an easy task. Every working day, we are opening 3 libraries. Every working day. Last 2,000 days, we are doing that. Not 1-2 days. 2,000 days, we have opened 6,000 till date. We have opened 6,070 libraries in 7 states. We have reached to, in English, 1 million students, 13 lakh students. That million, we have to do like this, na? 1 million students. But the success story of this is not reaching to 1 million students, sir. The success story of this is, out of that 3,73,000 students have written back to us saying their analysis on the book. इससे अच्छा क्या हो सकता है? Because it is a remote control activity. I am sitting here. They are in Chandrapur, they are in Gorakhpur, they are in wherever they are. And they are picking pen, postcard and writing back to. और सबसे अच्छी बात क्या है? I am so proud about it. Out of this, 58% letters been written by the girl student. This is how India is changing. And उनका पसंदीदा बुक रंगोली स्टिचिंग नहीं है. अभी सुनीता विलियम्स और कल्पना चावला है. This is how rule India changing. And you can see this data in our office by state, by district, by taluka, by village, by schools. All 3 lakhs letters you can see. There are a lot of opportunities in rural India also. And one big opportunity, sir, I'll tell you. I am an optimistic person, as I've told you. वो पढ़ी लिखी है ना, वो अपने बेटे को और बेटे को भी और अच्छा पढ़ाएगी. I think that is the need of the hour. Because हमारा देश अभी, we are very close to that 100% literacy. But सिर्फ literacy से नहीं होगा सर.
तो लड़कियां रूरल इंडिया में जाके काम कर सकती हैं,
कर रही है.
अपॉर्चुनिटीज है उसमें.
है. अभी क्या करती है, मैं जैसे आपको बताता हूँ. पहले वो क्या करती थी, मुझे गुस्सा वाला सब्जेक्ट पे मैं आंसर कर रहा हूँ. पहले उसका रोल क्या था, उसको मराठी में कहते हैं चूल एंड मूल. और कुछ नहीं है. She is a production house. So nonsense. Anyway, we'll not go into that. But अभी क्या होता है, पहले उसको क्या है कि ये करना है बस चूल, खाना बनाना है और उसको वंश का दीवा देना है, वही काम था. और दोपहर को उसका खाना लेके जाना है. दिन भर का she does 17 work, male does only 7 work in rural India. She does 17. Anyway, मैं कह रहा हूँ, मुझे गुस्से वाला सब्जेक्ट है मेरा ये. बट अभी क्या हो रहा है, now she is managing the finance of that family. That is a good thing, because basically she is a inbuilt finance manager होती है female. Another is hygiene of the house. These are additional benefit, and she is helping whatever business, whatever agriculture they are doing, she helped them to do that.
Sir, your journey started in late 90s, right? When the India economy was opening,
Globalization.
globalization happened, and there was a lot of rural and urban divide was there. Rural India was very separated from the metro
Urban.
cities and urban.
Yeah,
But
yeah.
now, rural urbanization is happening. Cities are becoming bigger. People are coming to larger cities, and urbanization is happening.
True.
So that point of time, okay, a rural market was
Was important.
very important. But for the corporate India or India Inc. for say for that matter, today also urban market and urban India matters.
100%. And let me tell you, even whatever urbanization happens, by 2050, 45% people are going to stay in rural India. Anyways,
Okay.
that is one. Second part, when you migrate from a village to urban India or a metro or a semi-metro, they stay in a juggi. Most of them stay in a juggi, accept the fact. We cannot glorify that. Means it is as good as in every urban India, every urban town, in every metro, in every semi-metro, 30 to 40% is rural India.
Oh.
Accept the fact. Even in Pune, say Pune's population is 52 lakh. The migration population is around 20 lakh. And where they stay? They stay in a, most of them stay in a juggi or outskirts of metros and semi-metros. But now they are a part of ecosystem.
So their character doesn't change.
Yes.
Even if they
Migrate from one
location
place
they
to another.
change,
Yes. Yes.
their preferences,
Slowly
their
it
thought
will
process.
change, sir.
Yeah.
Slowly, definitely, another 30, 20, 15 years time, definitely it is going to change. But as I've told you, basically we have to understand one thing. Basically, we are an agrarian country. Now, what has happened? Even I am not against anybody, but IT can accommodate not more than 3%. Accept the fact. Even today, India's workforce, 76% is in unorganized sector. Accept the fact. Second, biggest employment opportunity is in agriculture. Even today. There are issues. I know that. Huge issues. But how it is going to change? I am optimistic. I'm going to give you the positive answer. One, technology is going to change the rural India. And nanotechnology is going to superpower rural India. And it is happening in this country. It will take
So
time.
you were trying to tell us that the rural India will gain strength.
Yes.
And that's why they will remain relevant.
Relevant. They are because just imagine 20 years back, 25 years back, the ratio was 30-70. Correct?
Yes.
70% people is to stay in rural India and 30% urban India. Now the ratio is 55 and 45.
Yeah.
Accept the fact.
Yeah.
As I told you, by 2050, and it is not me talking about it, we have done a lot of round table on it. So even by 2050, 40% people are going to stay in rural India because urban India cannot accommodate that number. And another positive note is reverse migration is also happening because that mental stress
Yes.
to this young generation
Yes.
is taking them back to square one. Now, for an example, forget that mental stress. Let's talk about the business. Now, what is happening in BPO? The BPO is going to Satara, away 100 kilometers away from Pune. It is going Badnera in around Jaipur. It is happening. And now, when they will get this type of also opportunities, definitely that migration will stop. But as I've told you, across the world, the phenomena is yes, migration happens. Migration, nobody can stop that. That is the phenomena of the world, and it is going to happen. No doubt about that.
सर मेरा आपके इस जवाब में ही मेरा अगला सवाल है, यहाँ से मैं क्लू दे रहा हूँ. What happened is in LBS also, first 10-15 years of LBS, our entire objective was to provide employability, give jobs to the student. Now for next 15 years, we have taken a challenge of creating entrepreneurs.
Absolutely.
All the students should become entrepreneurs.
This
Most
year
of
that-
them
yeah.
students should become entrepreneurs, and at least they should attempt in that attempt, even they fail, they will get good employees. Right.
Correct.
So my question now, this was the background. My question is now, with increasing infrastructure like the Samruddhi Highway we have seen in India, in Maharashtra, digitalization happening, internet reach is happening, there must be a lot of opportunities in the rural India itself. So they can, at their birthplace, they can do business and become big. पहले कहते थे बड़ा बनना है तो छोटा गांव में तेरा क्या होगा, बड़ी जगह जा. क्या अब ये पॉसिबिलिटी आपको दिख रही है सर कि छोटे छोटे गांव में भी लोग बड़े बन सकते हैं?
I'll try and answer. First of all, I'll push myself what we are doing. What concept we have launched in 2017-18 is, the name of that project was Village Developer.
Okay.
A youth from a village will work in a village. Again, as I have told, I am a storyteller. The youth, what I have told them, if you are earning 22,000 rupees in your village, it is as good as earning 55,000 rupees in metro.
Absolutely.
And in spite of earning 55,000 rupees in metro, you will not buy a house. Accept the fact.
And you will not have that quality.
But nobody is giving this bitter pill. Actually, we should give. We should give this bitter pill to everybody. Accept the fact. That is one. The story to the corporate, तेरा टाई वाला है ना, कॉर्पोरेट को मैं कहता हूँ, वो जब गांव में जाएगा ना, he will come to know how many bones in his body in 15 days. So better give him a work. So we have given an opportunity to more than 8,000 youth across 7 states. अपने गांव में काम करो. And when they work with, say, a company like Asian Paint, or a Telco, or a Marico, or a Fevicol, they become a different person. They become an entrepreneur. They become a employable youth, because they invest money on them to train them. That one trend. Second, as I told you, it is not me talking about it. Go to Google and see it, to the youth. Now, we last 5-6 years, it's a talk of startup. Everybody is talking about startup. Do you know? The most successful startup of this country are agriculture. It is not again me talking about it. Go to Google and see it. Another opportunity. Cost effectiveness. And the third and very important, doctor, I'm telling you, पूरे ना वर्ल्ड को ना अभी ना बहुत ज़्यादा जीना है, बहुत अच्छा दिखना है, और उसके लिए ना आपको बहुत अच्छा खाना पड़ेगा. और वो खाना कौन प्रोड्यूस कर सकता है? इंडिया कर सकता है, बिकॉज वी हैव 4 सीजन्स. It is going to happen. So that's why I've told you in 3-4 minutes back, with the technology, हमारा एग्रीकल्चर अब आप देखिएगा, in our Marathi there is a book called शेवग्याच्या शेंगा. You must have heard about that. That was about the poverty and poverty. क्योंकि हम शेवगे के शेंग का रोज उसके ऊपर वो बना के खाते थे. ऐसा कहा करते, I don't know. But आज the same drumstick, now it is English word, is been so demanding across the world for the value of that drumstick. Now you know that there are few youth in Bihar doing crores of business with the drumstick. You take a pharma industry or a food industry, it is a need of the hour. This is one example I'm telling you. So it is going to change. There is one, मैंने कोई वो फेसबुक होता है ना आपका, वो उसके ऊपर लिखा है ये कि इतना चेंज वो आने वाला है, and that will give an employment. And this is a very bold statement and a very optimistic statement. India is going to feed to the world.
Wow.
We are going to feed to the world. Take my word, friends. Take my word. We have to do a lot of things in that. There are darker sides. I know that. Crop pattern में बहुत change लाना पड़ेगा. I know that.
Storage, process,
yes,
all those things. And
so,
there is a real opportunity.
It is, with the technology it will come. Now, for an example, I'll tell you. There are thousands of APMCs in this country. हमको पता नहीं चलता था यार, सब अंदर काम चलता था. Now you know that you go to any APMC of the country, they have a electronic board, and you come to know that आज इसका रेट ये है. ये टेक्नोलॉजी से ये नाटकबाजी कम होती जाएगी ना. But it will take time. हमको क्या immediately कल चाहिए तो नहीं, कल होने वाला नहीं है. It will take time, but definitely it is going to happen. And this youth are going to change this country in a big way. in a big way.
सर ये जो यूथ है जो टिपिकली 20-22 साल का है,
जी,
जो बहुत हद तक कंफ्यूज भी है,
या
कहाँ काम करे, किधर काम करे, उसके पेरेंट एक चीज कह रहे हैं, उसके पीयर प्रेशर अलग ही है,
True,
उसका
true,
दोस्त है, सब अलग कह रहे
true.
हैं, इंटरनेट पे उसको और कुछ दिखता है। तो आज आप से वो क्या सीख ले सकते हैं विद दिस पॉडकास्ट? व्हाट काइंड ऑफ, लेट्स से 3 लर्निंग्स दैट यू वुड लाइक टू गिव देम सो दैट स्पेशली आपके एरिया में, रूरल सेगमेंट में, रूरल इंडिया में, उनको अगर सक्सेसफुल होना है, आपसे इंस्पिरेशन लेनी है,
अरे
तो
नहीं,
वो
वो क्या होनी चाहिए?
क्या करना चाहिए उन्हें?
एक तो पहले मैं humbly I'll tell you that कि मैं एडवाइस किसी को नहीं देता बिकॉज आई एम नॉट दैट बिग, बट यस आई एम गोइंग टू शेयर विथ यू मैंने क्या सीखा, मैंने क्या सीखा। एक तो पहले मैं आपको बता देता हूँ, आई एम गोइंग टू टेल यू 5-6 वर्ड्स विच आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। एक तो पहला वर्ड क्या है मालूम? आई एम आंसरेबल, आई एम अकाउंटेबल। ये सीखो पहले। हमारी गलती है हमारी जनरेशन की, हमने आपको ये सिखाया नहीं। आई एम आंसरेबल, आई एम अकाउंटेबल, ये जिस दिन आप सोचोगे ना, you will be a different person. Second is, I believe in feedback. आप अगर इंटरकनेक्ट होना है,
ट्रू,
I don't believe, I think that I know everything. Just I read something on a WhatsApp or a internet, I think that I know everything. No, Fred, no. उसमें क्या होता है आपको पता है? आपको जो पढ़ते हैं ना, वो जो ब्रिलियंट लोग होते हैं ना, जो सक्सेसफुल लोग होते हैं ना, वो पढ़ते नहीं है। They read between the line. That's why they are successful. They don't read. They read between the line. ये आपको करना पड़ेगा। Third, consistency. We are very poor on that. आपने कहा अभी हम सब लोग कहते हैं, आज किसी फ्रेंड को देखा वो आईटी में चला गया, उसने गाड़ी ले ली। हम एडवर्टाइजमेंट में वैसे करते हैं, धोना चाहिए ऐसे लोगों को। अरे वो उसको गाड़ी में आ रहा हो, तुम साइकिल पे। छोड़ो यार, ये ग्लैमरस, इससे बाहर आओ। Consistency is the only answer to be a successful person. There is no other answer. Fourth, along with that, you have to have a little innovation. And innovation doesn't mean कि बहुत बड़ा बड़ा होना चाहिए. As I always say, postcard was my innovation, and that has taken me. आपसे बात कर रहा हूं मैं। हाँ सर, अब देखिएगा ना,
सही।
तो छोटी छोटी चीज का इनोवेशन आपको करना पड़ेगा। एडॉप्ट द टेक्नोलॉजी। और ये जो आपके जोड़े थोड़े थोड़े प्रॉब्लम थे ना, जो कि जो हमारे जनरेशन ने गलती किया है, वो कम होते जा रहे हैं। जैसे कि बिकॉज ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी करप्शन कम होगा, एवरीथिंग विल बी ऑनलाइन, सब होने वाला है। थोड़ा पेशेंस बस। सो कंसिस्टेंसी के बाद पेशेंस एंड इनोवेशन, ये 5-6 शब्द अगर आप ध्यान में रखोगे ना, मैंने कहता हूं कि आप सक्सेसफुल होगे। मैं ये कहता हूं कि आप हैप्पी हो, हैप्पी। And that is more important in life. That's what I think. Call is yours. So friend, sky is the limit. Sky is the limit. This country has so much potential. आप believe नहीं कर पाओगे। If I'll give you the figures, आप पागल हो जाओगे। In our country, there are 40 crore middle class. Means that 40 crore are buyer for anything, sir. You name the product, service, concept, whatever, they are buyer. 40 करोड़ छोटा नंबर नहीं है यार। वो न्यूजीलैंड में क्या करते होंगे आप बोलो। न्यूजीलैंड का पॉपुलेशन 47 लाख है, हमारा पूना का 55 है।
पुणे पिंपली चिंचवड मिला दिया तो 70-80 लाख।
हाँ, 47 लाख। हमारे देश में ये ह्यूज अपॉर्चुनिटी। डू यू नो, अभी मैं एक भाषणबाजी कर रहा था उधर, और हर जगह बताता हूँ, देयर आर 203 कंट्रीज इन द वर्ल्ड जिनको हम फीड करने वाले हैं। मैंने कहा था अभी 3 मिनट पहले। हमारे देश में एक ही स्टेट है, उसका नाम है उत्तर प्रदेश। और लिसन नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस वेरी केयरफुली, देयर आर ओनली 4 कंट्रीज इन द वर्ल्ड, देयर आर ओनली 4 कंट्रीज इन द वर्ल्ड आर हैविंग मोर पॉपुलेशन देन उत्तर प्रदेश। ह्यूज अपॉर्चुनिटी इन दिस कंट्री। रोना धोना करो यार, रोना धोना बंद करो। यहाँ देखो तो अपॉर्चुनिटी, यहाँ देखो तो अपॉर्चुनिटी है, यहाँ देखो तो कंज्यूमर है, यहाँ देखो तो कंज्यूमर है। एंड डोंट कंसिडर एनीबॉडी एज ए विलेजर, गरीब ये नहीं, ट्रीट एवरीबॉडी एज ए कंज्यूमर। रिस्पेक्ट भी दोगे और अपना काम भी करके लोगे। सर यही करना पड़ेगा हमको, यही करना पड़ेगा। सो ह्यूज अपॉर्चुनिटी, ये रोना धोना बंद करो। ये फैंटास्टिक प्लेटफॉर्म बन गया है, टेक्नोलॉजी आ गई है, बेसिक एजुकेशन आ गया है, और ये 5-6 जो मैंने एक्सपीरियंस के वो आपके सामने शब्द रखे हैं। तो Again and again, I'm telling you, sky is the limit. Sky is the limit.
So sky is the limit. Be optimistic. There is a huge potential. And when you say sky is the limit, of course, it says that there is a huge potential.
Yeah.
So that's the message from Sri Pradeep Lokhande sir. Lokhande sir, thank you. Thank you very much for coming to LBS. And
Pleasure is mine. Thank you. Thank you to LBS. Thank you to all the team. जिसने भी इसके लिए सब करने के लिए मदद किया सबको मेरा नमस्कार एंड ऑल द बेस्ट एनी टाइम एनीथिंग फॉर रूल इंडिया आई एम अवेलेबल एंड नो कमर्शियल इंटरेस्ट
Thank you, sir, and wish you all the best
Yes.
for your all
Thank you.
initiatives.
Thank you so much. Thank you, friends. Thank you. Thank you.